Hello, dear souls, how are you? I thought the world was so unkind that it gave me a million reasons to dislike it. Surely, how can I dislike such a great world which gave me you in my life? Cute way to express the love, my baby. My life, my life did not begin with you, my baby, my dear, my sweet darling heart. But I wish, but I wish my life should end with you, my baby, my dear, my sweet. I wish someday, I wish someday I can spend my all walking moments with you, my baby. And I don't have to hate missing you, my dear, my sweet. Loving you, loving you is what I have learned so easily. Trying to forget you, trying to forget you is the lowest thing I could possibly I could possibly learn because I am deeply in your love with you. I do not fear to die, my dear, my sweet baby, to die, but my fear, my fear is that if I die, my dear, if I die, who shall love you as much as I do? Did you know? Did you know what the word love was invented when I met you, my dear? Me without you is like a nerd without braces, a shoe, a shoes without legs, a sentence without spaces, my dear, my sweet.